To my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Janie, and today I'm going to be talking about a new perfume that I've been testing out, and I want to share my thoughts as well as update you on some other fragrances that I've recently discussed on this channel. So the first one is from Dossier, which is a fragrance company that creates luxury inspired perfumes for a fraction of a cost. So you're going to get very affordable perfumes that smell like some of your favorite department store perfumes. Honestly, I'm unfamiliar with a lot of them because if you go on their website, they're different categories, but this has been a new world for me, kind of dipping into fragrance and stuff. I enjoy providing honest reviews on this channel, and this perfume was sent to me for reviewing purposes, but I was not paid to do this video. They did give me a coupon code so that you can get 10% off your order on top of the 20% welcome offer, so you get 30% off total for your first order. But these opinions are my own. I always like breaking it down, what I like, what I don't like. This just happens to be an affordable option, and there's a new thing where you can get store credit for all your orders. If you select cash during checkout, you earn $10 bonus credit. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. Now let's get down to the nitty-gritty on how I feel about this particular perfume. The first time I tried out one of these perfumes, I did do a full video on it, and I love that one. I think that one was inspired by Flower Bomb, and this time I chose one differently on the whim just based on the title, and that is Fruity Brown Sugar. So in terms of my preferences for fragrances, I really like fruity scents. I like food related stuff. I like something to remind me of snacks and I thought maybe this would do the trick. We're gonna go through the notes really quickly, but I want to spray it one more time just so I can fully immerse myself in this. I really like it. It's not what I expected based on the title of it, and I'm not familiar with the perfume that it's inspired by, but it's Fruity Brown Sugar, and the top notes are bergamot, raspberry, and pear. Then we have some middle notes of jasmine, orange blossom, brown sugar, which is my favorite part, and then the base notes is patchouli, amber, and vanilla, which is really what comes through as that base notes. So a lot of times when I love perfumes, like the previous one that I tried from this brand that was inspired by Flower Bomb, I really loved it because it was super fruity and floral. In some way it kind of smelled like food, but I know that turns off a lot of people. Everyone has different preferences on what they like in their perfumes. If you don't really like super fruity food scents, I think this is perfect for you because that amber and vanilla with the patchouli oil, I feel like is really what I smell when I smell this. Maybe a hint of pear. So I think this is like a very natural perfume, kind of like Marc Jacobs by Daisy, I feel like, with a little bit more patchouli, a little bit more pear. Maybe that raspberry kind of seeps in when I compare it to like Marc Jacobs Daisy, but I really like it. Honestly, I prefer the other one a little bit more. I'm gonna have it right here because I do not remember. I filmed that video a couple months ago and I used up that perfume so incredibly quickly. So although I don't love this one quite as much as that one, this is still really nice when I want to kind of step away from the super gourmand scents that I have, because the majority of my collection, you're gonna see in a little bit, is just fruity food scents, like straight up Christmas cookies, Snickerdoodle. If you watched my Bath and Body Works video recently, then you know exactly what I'm talking about. So this is perfect on days when I want to kind of step away from all of that and just something a little bit more subtle, a little bit more relaxed. And the lasting power on this is really, really nice. I don't remember what the first one was like, but this one, like, I could smell it on me even after my shower, which I'm really surprised about. My husband really loves this one. He's very into fragrance, and on Dossier they have like, they're split into different categories, but they also have unisex perfumes or fragrances, and I'm not sure if this is considered a unisex one. I'll have to look back on their website, but honestly, whether it is or isn't, I'm going to be giving this to him because I think he'll get better use out of it, and I think it really suits his body chemistry. On me, I mean, I have such a bad sense of smell, even though I love fragrances. Like, I always feel like I have a permanent stuffy nose. It's the best way that I could describe it. But on him, I can definitely smell this, and I feel like it feels a little woodsy on him. I think that amber and that orange blossom kind of, I can smell it a little bit more on him than I can on myself. So I really like Dossier. They're iconic scents, designer quality without the markups. I mean, it's pretty good, honestly. This is the second time I've tried them, and I have been thinking of placing an order, and I think I will. It's just, like I said, I just get overwhelmed because they have a lot of different options, and they do have sales quite often. I saw a 20% off sale recently on their website. So I will link them down below, all the good stuff, all the details on this. And now that we've spoken about this, now I'm going to talk about all the other fragrances that I have been trying and loving. And you're going to see the distinct difference between something like this, which I feel like is very demure and classic and very, you know, not too in your face. It's more subtle versus the other stuff. So Midnight Fantasy by Britney Spears. I recently talked about this. This was my wedding perfume, and this is the body spray version, but I do have the parfum. I love it. It's amazing. I just put it on today since today's my anniversary with my husband. It has been 1 month exactly since we got married, but also it's just our anniversary. So I love it. Midnight Fantasy is like such a beautiful winter smell for me, and it just snowed recently, so it's just perfect. I love like the raspberry, the fruity notes in it are just amazing. They're super in your face and long lasting, and I really like that. I really like the strong perfume and that I can smell it way after I have sprayed it all over myself. Oh, here it is. It was sitting right in front of me. I love this stuff. Speaking of Bath & Body Works, like we were just talking about, Christmas Cookie from Bath & Body Works is so good. I think it's an online exclusive, and obviously Christmas has passed, but there's something so comforting when I use that at the end of the night before bed, especially after a long, hard day at work. Especially like the shower gel. I keep using the word especially, but like the shower gel, it's just that smell just hits you, and it's such a warm, inviting cookie smell. Like Christmas Cookie, I think, is vague. Like obviously like there's a ton of different Christmas cookies, but it just smells like vanilla, frosting, warm sugar. It's just honestly my favorite, and a close second would be Snickerdoodle. I don't know what a Snickerdoodle cookie tastes like or smells like. I'm assuming the scent is accurate in terms of what a real Snickerdoodle is, but I've never had one, so I don't know, but it smells good. Like Snickerdoodle is more on the brown sugar, more how do I differentiate both of them? Like more chocolatey, not really chocolatey, but like this cookie right here. I forgot what it is, but Snickerdoodle is warmer. Like Snickerdoodle is like a general sense of being in a room when cookies are being baked, whereas Christmas Cookie is, this is a sugar cookie that I'm eating on Christmas Eve, waiting till midnight when I can finally open up presents as a kid. So those are my favorite scents that have really stood out to me in the last couple of months. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very, very soon with another video, so don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time, if you have any products you would like me to review on this channel, definitely let me know in the comments. I'm active on BunnyJanie on Instagram and Twitter. And yeah, I will see you very soon with another video later this week. And until next time.